ERPCA. How to install ERPCA Add-on in Tally ERP9. Step 1. Copy add-on full file path. Step 2. Start Tally ERP9. Step 3. Select company. Step 4. Press F12. Or click on Configure. Step 5. Select Product and Features. Step 6. Press F4. Or click Manage Local TDL. Step 7. Set Load TDL files to preload on startup to Yes. Step 8. Paste the completed add-on file path. Past key, Ctrl plus Alt plus V. In this way we can install ERPCA add-on in Tally ERP9. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.